Hello, in this lesson I demonstrate how to count text separated by a common delimiter, in this case semicolon. I'm going to start off using the text split function equal to text split. The first argument, which is text, is the block of names under the attendees field. So I select cell C5, introduce my comma, and then for the column delimiter, which is the semicolon, we introduce with the double quotes. The remaining arguments under the text split function are optional, so we are not going to complete that in this scenario. So I just press enter. This produces for us the individual names in separate columns, which is what the text split function does. However, the goal of this lesson is to count these individual names. So we are going to modify the formula by wrapping the text split function with a count A function. So I close the bracket and press enter. And so on Monday we had 3 attendees. I copy down, and then for Friday we have 4 and Saturday 3. You can update this with an additional layer of information. So Sunday we have Virginia, we have Victoria, semicolon, and then Charles. Press enter. This automatically updates the count field. So you can use this template to report your list of attendees for a recurring program. Hope you love this tutorial and thank you for watching.